My name is Nelly, and I'm the Kenyan girl doing stories on sustainable development goals. Now, as you've realized, I stopped doing videos in 2017, and that's because I got pregnant and I gave birth in November 2017 to a baby girl who got really sick, and I had to stop everything to get her better. I mean, it was such a dark period for me and my family and most of my friends, so much so that I had to stop living, to put it lightly. And because of that, I strained in every sense and way. I went into a mini depression that I really had to start doing kickboxing to get myself to a sane level. Yeah, because besides my daughter, I have two stepdaughters, I have a husband, and I have a son, a dear son. So you being here, you might have helped me in a way. Thanks for holding on. Thanks for waiting for me to come back and do a lot more content on sustainable development goals. This year we're going to make content. We're going to make content that makes a difference. Good quality content that questions how we produce stuff, how we consume stuff. We're going to make content that explain why Kenyan drainage systems don't work. We're going to make content about how to make better videos. We're going to make content on how to start a YouTube channel finally, because Kenyans have such brilliant ideas. And if you've ever had that idea that you want to start a YouTube channel, start now. Having a sick child at that point made me so weak. And then some point I woke up. I knew that I had to be okay for my baby to be okay. I had to stand up. I had to get all the strength and just soldier on and keep on fighting until she got better. It took her such a long time to be okay. I'm not okay yet, but I'm alive. You know, I'm alive. And this year we're going to make cool videos. We're going to make content. We're going to do collaborations. You know what? Usually I don't believe in New Year's resolution, but this one, I feel it. And now that I'm back, I'm trying to align my dots on how we are going to build our content. And I want to give you guys really good content. Content that informs you, content that, you know, you feel good about, content that makes you grow, that makes you understand things. The most important thing that this channel will do is environmental awareness and sustainable development goals. But sometimes there's just no story that touches on sustainable development goals. So what I'll be doing, I'll be substituting that with real estate videos, because sometimes I have property and I need to find a tenant or I need to find a buyer. So if you're looking for a property, sometimes check in here. Sometimes I have property that you could be interested in. I'm going to do lots and lots of DIYs. I mean, doing DIYs is one way that I got to beat depression, besides kickboxing. It is a wonderful time to be alive. It is just a wonderful time to be alive. If you have something that you need to do, get out there and do it. There is no right time. There will always be a mess up, sorry to say. There will always be one thing that you're missing. What you need to do is just pick the few things you have, pick that broken heart, go do something. You know, if you have an idea, say you have an idea to start a YouTube channel, just pick it up, discuss it with your friends on how you're going to execute it, and just do. I mean, for a long time, I just wanted to sit there and cry every day. Cry then what? You know, cry then what? I had to step up. I had to take care of me to be able to be, most importantly, the most important thing in my life, I had to step up to be a good mom. As I was initially doing, I was posting videos every Monday, but I think I will shift to every Friday, because that's, if I look at my calendar and how I work, Friday works best for me. So yes, we might have an extra video on Monday, but for sure you will have a video every Friday. So welcome back again. Really, thanks for waiting for me. I've gone to the end of the world and back. I'm so happy that you still clicked on my channel and that you're still here and that you're still hoping that I'm going to create more content, because I will. I am. 2019 is our year. Yeah, so we're going to do more real estate videos, we're going to do DIYs, and we're going to do sustainable development. So stay around, please stick around.
It's raining.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, into bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. As I was saying, that was just a reintroduction of myself to you. I really hope you're going to have a good relationship here. I really hope I'm going to be of benefit to you, because you're for sure of benefit to me. But I've just realized that I didn't post as much as I should have. But this is 2019. I've been given a fresh start here. I run a page called The Wandering Bride, and The Wandering Bride is basically me, and I usually take my wedding dress everywhere, literally everywhere, and take photos with it. And through that, I try to explain what SDGs is about, what life is about. I try to explain the quotes that inspire me at a given time, because you know, we're human, you experience different problems at different phases of your life. And sometimes you cannot put these problems into video, which is how I do almost everything. So I chose The Wandering Bride to explain these phases of life. Why am I back? What am I back doing? Why didn't I just stop? You know what? Let me just concentrate on other things in life and just don't do YouTube anymore. I came back because I love production. Boy, oh boy, I love making videos. I love interacting with people, either through videos or personally. And on top of that, I feel like there's not enough awareness on what sustainable development goals are and what they mean. I feel like there's not enough information or awareness on what sustainable development goals are and what they mean to us, what they mean for the disadvantaged people in the community, what they mean in terms of us getting better transport system in Kenya, in terms of us getting better healthcare systems in Kenya. You know, there's 17 goals that really touch on every aspect of our being. And if we understand this better, then it's easier for us to make policies, to understand how policies are made, to understand the law, to understand what the future will bring, to understand how businesses are going to evolve. Like for example, blockchain and fintech technology, the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence. You know, these are the stories that I want to make for you, and I will make them fun for sure. Okay, bye. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe, and let's just get the year rolling. Let's get the content rolling. All right, bye-bye. Bye. Sawa. Bye.